Hey YouTube, it's Queen Pam Elon QP, and I am going to show you how some ideas for creating your own dashboards. I'm going to quickly cut off my address here. And what I want is this show up for your life. And I have a piece of scrapbook paper. I have a scrapbook die cut, so you could use those. And I think I want this cut well, so I'm going to cut it in a square on my with my trimmer. Got my trimmer, and we are going to get a straight cut across here and across there. Just made it. And across here. And we're going to go all the way across so that we can get it good up here. And we want to be as close as we were on the other side. Maybe a little bit more. This is a caterpillar and it will cut thin things quickly. And then we can start sort of coming up with our composition. Let's see if we can find anything else in Oprah's magazine. I'm just so sure we can because it's Oprah, right? It's oh, look at that. We could use Oprah, right? Show up for your life. Let's see how we like that. Let's fussy cut it and see if we like it. When I'm fussy cutting, I like to do a rough cut first so that my hands don't have to fight with the whole big piece of paper. And some of my other ideas were napkins, um, deli paper. I've actually done and recorded. This is rice paper from Stamperia. Just straight up, didn't do anything else to it. So there are many things you can use to create your own dashboard. And I'm just your own artwork, things from the newspaper. Let's say you were in the news, photographs. Today would be my parents' 86th wedding anniversary. If they were alive, they lived for 59 before my mother died. Wedding anniversaries. And they were wonderful people. Miss them dearly. So you could do it. I could do a tribute to them had I thought about it. So that's just a rough thing. Let's find some more from Oprah's magazine. See if there's anything else. Live your best life. I'll grab that out. Roughly. I saw the next page and I'm going to want it too. Since I'm doing straight cuts, that's what we're going to do. This thing has a light, but I need a battery. Oh, but it's working for the newspaper, the thinness of the magazine print. Cool. Let's see. And we'll figure it out. And I saw the next page. I should have kept it open. But we're getting there. Surround yourself with people who only lift you higher. Yes. We will take that one. And we might have enough once we are done with that. Maybe. Turn that light back on because it works. We'll have Oprah. We'll give her credit for her own quote and her own likeness in this dashboard. I have my 5 mil laminating pouch, and we're just going to start in there because it'd just be better to start in there, I think. Ooh, I cut 2 sheets of paper. Awesome. So I can put that on the back side. And since I'm going to put that on the back side, let's put that on the back side. And line up Oprah on the inside. And the cool thing is you don't even have to glue anything down. So let's just see how we want this to be. Show up for life. Got a weight that I'm going to put on that so it can stay down so that I can see what I'm doing. And maybe not because everything sort of came out and I want it in. So we'll weight it a little bit like that. Show up for your life. Got Oprah walking toward the light. Live your best life. We got our thing. And up here, surround yourself with people who only lift you higher. Keep in mind, we're going to be um, punching on one side. So I like it. And it's nice and simple. Simple, but it will also say something to you. You don't want to get anything attached to your pouch. So that's what I'm doing. I'm cleaning off something I saw. I'm thinking, I'm looking at the composition, and I think I want something up there. So let's go back. Nope, got it. Got a foiled die cut, and I'm gonna have it fly that way. Let us open you up. You can fly off of Oprah's head. There we go. Now, these papers are longer than they need to be. So, I'm going to have to cut them. Darn it. See if I can flip that down and everything stay pretty much where it was. And cut these down. Let's see how long they are. I thought they were 12 inches. And I thought I cut them to 11, and I did. So I'm going to cut them to 11. Hopefully, we can get these back in there without disturbing our composition. And even if we can't, we'll just redo it. Flip over, make some adjustments because we need to move you up. We need to move Oprah up. Show up for your life. We need to get our dragonfly in and over because we want to punch over here. So live your best life. Surround yourself with people who only lift you higher. Bring that up. We are good as everything is straight like we would want it to be. And get the butterfly a little bit off of Oprah's head. Maybe we slide Oprah down a little bit. There we go. Let's bring you down. Bada bing, bada boom. We are almost there. We are ready. Our My laminator of choice is my Mink set on 4 if you happen to own one. And I'm going to use a carrier sheet because I do not want it to get caught on the rollers. And I'll be back when it has finished. Okay, it is out of the laminator and it is ready to go, ready to be punched. I see, because this was more 3D, that there is like spaces around it. So I'm gonna run it through the laminator one more time just to make sure it's good and nice. And I'll show you the final result. So it is done. Just needs to be punched. My punch is upstairs, so I will punch it and then use it in my planner in some way. As always, I'll leave you in the hands of the creator and would appreciate a like, or you can subscribe. And I do my best to try to answer your comments. Thanks for watching.